I'm actually going to start on some news this morning because you guys put a press release out just a very short time ago. Anthropic, Blackstone, Hellman & Friedman, Goldman Sachs announcing the formation of a new AI native enterprise services firm that will work with companies to rapidly bring Claude into their core business operations. What is this and why are you doing it?
Well, it really gets at a key gap that exists today. You have these super powerful models that Anthropic has created. And then on the other side, you've got all these companies who want to get this technology into their business. How do I change marketing compliance? How do I change financial reporting? How do I make customer engagement better? And so the question is, how do you bridge that gap? And so what we're doing here with Anthropic and some other leading investment firms is create what you call a deployment company, an AI deployment company that can make that a reality. We've got 275 companies. They're very interested in using Anthropic's enterprise technology, but they're saying, can you help me get there? Can you help me change the workflow? And if you said, what's the biggest issue today with AI, it's this diffusion. How do you take this super powerful technology that a company like Anthropic has and put it into your businesses? I think it'll make a real difference for our companies.
Yeah, I am curious as to how you view that, given you have obviously a line of sight into a lot of different companies. And I think we both heard a similar debate between those who say it's going to move fast in enterprises and others who say not so fast. There's so much inertia. There's so many different systems. There's so many software engineers standing in the way. Clearly, you're trying to move it faster, but I'm curious as to how you think it actually is going to go.
I think it's a little bit of both. Wherever the AI is on the creative front, we see it moving faster. Interestingly, coding has moved very fast. Some of the content creation, because there aren't as many rules when you're making a movie or music. We have a company, Ancestry, where we can now tell stories rather than just tell you the date, your ancestors, and the place they came from. I would say some of this workflow stuff is a little bit frustrating because the technology is so powerful. It's a little bit like in a medical context, you have the basic research and you now have to figure out how to take it from the beaker and bring it to the bedside. So I would say it's going to happen. If you look at our companies, their spend on large language models was up 15-fold over the last year, now off a low base. But the direction of travel is towards more use, to more use cases. I think it's coming, but yes, it's not easy, which is why creating a company to help, I think, will be very powerful.
You do. This is a core of one of the key debates going on in the markets right now, which is the numbers being spent are staggering. We just saw last week from the hyperscalers, many of which increased their budgets. And the return on the invested capital is the question. You're getting at the heart of it. Do you wonder yourself whether, in fact, they're going to see a return on it, given some of the, at least, inertia you're talking about within enterprises?
I have a lot of confidence that over time, given the efficiencies this can create, given what it can do for customer experiences, that this will ultimately be quite beneficial. Interestingly, those same companies you talked about saw something like 25% revenue growth in the quarter, 60% earnings growth. They're saying they're using it. They've been highly efficient with this technology. So I think the prize is there. If you think about labor spend globally, it's $60 trillion on an annual basis. If you can make people 15% more efficient, that's $9 trillion. That justifies a lot of CapEx spending. And so we have, as you know well, leaned heavily into the whole AI ecosystem.
And you have for